Now, according to the Nze, Aro travels with two waves which project from it that he referred to as intellect and wisdom, or Akonuche. These two waves, or Ose, are depicted in the Mediterranean area as wings in many cultures across the world. And if you look at the pattern of a wing, specifically the type of wing that is used to depict this, what is truly being represented is the presence of waves. And without irony, God's messengers come down to the earth with both a halo and wings in many theological traditions. In Igbo culture, Aro is depicted by use of the Ichi marks. Ichi marks are adorned by individuals who have vowed to be living ancestors on earth. As a living ancestor, this individual becomes an Nze. An Nze is an individual who, due to their vow to be a living ancestor, lives by a very specific set of rules and stands in the place of ancestors in ritual or wherever is needed. Most universally, these rules include prohibitions against lying or being seen eating by non